Deal TV, learn and earn.
Deal TV Africa, learn and earn. Munange no ifa magic tukyaguluba tukyali mu mwoleso tukyali ati munsabire ekyala zammwe bwe ziba zikola kino nakyo kirina okukola ki kirina okuggwa. Ndina omwami wano amannya ga Luganda naye ajja okwongera okutunyonyola lwaki ga Luganda ng'ate ye wakwayita omweru. Hello, how are you doing?
Hey, Jibale Cook. My name is Justus Böttcher. They call me Sentongo here.
Why do they call you Sentongo? Are you Luganda?
Hey, no, I'm not, but I am living within the family from Dr. Emma Naluyima.
Okay.
So at the beginning when I was coming here, they gave me a name to be part of their family.
So for how long have you been here?
I have been here for 3 months doing an internship because I'm part of the International Young Farmers Exchange Program.
Okay.
So I am here to learn how Ugandians do agriculture.
Like you're from where?
I am from Germany.
From Germany?
Germany, from Berlin, yes.
Why did you choose Uganda for internship?
Hey, Uganda is, normally you are in Europe and Africa as a continent is a whole different place. And I've never been to any country in Africa, so this is why I chose Uganda.
Okay. So in your hands I'm seeing the book. What's all about?
Yeah, so as a part of my exchange program here, I did an own project funded by the German Farmers Association.
Okay.
So they gave me some money to do my own project.
Okay.
So here the difficulty what I was saying, or what I was seeing, is that I was seeing people have the knowledge of things, but they only have small time to get it to other people, the knowledge. So I was thinking, okay, let me write down all the knowledge that I have about black soldier fly, that people were telling me about black soldier fly. I was also visiting some different farms, they were talking about black soldier fly. So everything I know, I was writing down in this book. So now we can hand it out to other people to get the knowledge to breed their own.
Why black soldier flies? Is it? Why black soldier?
Black soldier fly is a great way to get rid of waste and make money out of shit, make gold out of shit. You're using chicken dung, we are using pig dung, we are feeding the maggots on this dung. And out of the dung, you're getting a high quality protein source that you can feed later on to chicken, to pigs, to fish. And the good thing is they are growing really fast on these things because it's protein rich, it's rich in vitamins and minerals, in amino acids. So your animals have a good benefit out of it and you can use your waste.
So can I find these black fly soldiers in Uganda, or you just imported from outside?
You can find them in Uganda because people are breeding them here and sometimes we are getting out of a breeding facility. But normally you use them only as breeders. Yes.
So what challenges have you faced so far?
With the black soldier fly, so sometimes it can be difficult to breed the eggs, to get the eggs and then get maggots on, because sometimes the weather is too cold. So you need a temperature of 26 to like 35 degrees Celsius. If it is too cold, you need a long what is it called? Life cycle, long life cycle. So this one can be a challenge.
In Uganda, the standards of living man. So to maintain the temperature,
yes,
and the temperature in Uganda, how can someone like me maintain the temperature of this without having an AC or close to home?
So we are using a greenhouse for it.
Greenhouse.
So in the morning when the sun is rising, the greenhouse is getting to heat up. So you just use some kind of foil, some kind of wooden frame. You put on the foil, everyone has the money for some foil and some wood. So when the sun is heating it up, and it's enough for it. You don't need a stove or something like that.
Okay, so
yes.
It's a great idea.
Yes.
So,
I can tell you another benefit.
Yes, the benefit.
Another benefit is this thing. This one is called the frass. The good thing about this one, it's like literally the poop for maggots. So when they finish their food, yes, it's kind of a poop.
Okay.
It's the remaining substrate. So this one, if you add some other ingredients, you can get some good fertilizer for your plants. You can also directly use it as fertilizer and your plants will grow.
Directly?
Yes, you
How
can
about
This one, so this one later on they added to some earthworms. And the earthworms do some soil out of it. And also they are using the pee, the urinate from earthworms. It's a good pesticide and also a good fertilizer for plants. Yes. And after the final product would be pellets. These ones you can feed to fish, to pigs, to chicken. This one is just maize bran mixed with maggots. Yes.
So you dry the maggots?
Aha, we kill them on fire.
Oh.
We kill them on fire and put them freshly with some maize bran. Then after you did the pellets, you put it in the sun to dry, and then you have a finished product. The good thing about this thing, it's not getting spoiled. You can keep it for a long time, yes, without it getting spoiled. The fresh ones not. Yes.
Okay. If you make this, how can you sell a kilo? How much can you sell a kilo of this?
These ones? It's a good question.
The farmer.
I don't know for how much they sell it.
Okay.
Because I'm not the one who is selling the product, so yes, yes.
Okay.
But eggs, I can tell you the eggs, normally 1 gram of egg, they sell around 2,000 to 3,000 Uganda shilling.
Oh, the eggs. So you can sell the eggs.
Yes.
Someone wants to.
1 gram is 2,000 to 3,000, and we normally are harvesting every second day, like around 100 grams. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is it enough?
Okay. Okay. About the book, where can someone get this book?
Hey, which one? You can write an email. I have an email address here if you want to film it.
So that's the email.
I can send it to you as a PDF. As a PDF. Or you go to Dr. Emana Luyima's place, she will also save a book.
Do you have some hard copies if someone like want a hard copy?
Yes, I also have hard copies. But this one you can, it's for 25,000. 25,000. The PDF is for free. Yes, it's for free. If you want to learn, you can just for free. Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. So that's the contact, your email.
Yes, you can write. I will send you the book. No problem.
Okay, thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you.
For sharing. Farm Magic TV. Bwejekuumireko bwekuumizi n'ebisingako bingi nnyo okyabiraba ate era okyabifuna tukyakuleeta bingi ebijja teerabira okusubscribinga okulikinga n'okusharinga tusikala omulundi omulala mwera.
Deal TV, learn and earn.